In a world where governments and citizens strive for seamless, efficient and secure services, BLS International emerges as a trusted global partner. With over 19 years of experience, BLS has become a trailblazer in delivering tech-enabled services, revolutionizing the way we navigate visa, passport and consular processes. Since its inception, BLS has established itself as a preferred partner for client governments across the globe, serving over 46 clients' government and has a robust strength of over 60,000 employees and associates who operate from over 50,000 global centers across 66 countries. BLS International Services Limited Development and Service Division has been appraised at Level 5 of ISAC's Capability Maturity Model Integration (CMMI). Embassies and governments worldwide entrusted BLS with vital consular services from the Embassy of Portugal in New Delhi, India, which awarded BLS its first visa application processing order in 2005, to recent operations for global visa processing for the government of Spain, Germany, Poland and Thailand. BLS's expertise extends beyond visas and consular affairs as it has transformed the landscape of e-governance, attestation, biometric and e-visa services. Through mastery of technology-driven solutions such as AI-driven platforms, natural language processing, conversational assistance and identity management, by offering associated consular services on behalf of client governments, BLS simplifies and streamlines processes, alleviating the burden for concerned government, department and citizens, ensuring easy access. The company's commitment to innovation and customer-centric solutions is evident in its AI-driven platforms, enabling intuitive and personalized interactions. With connected user experience, BLS ensures that every step of the process is streamlined and tailored to individual needs. With over 232 million applications processed to date, BLS solidifies its position as a leader in the industry and got listed on 2 Indian stock exchanges, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Expanding beyond visa and consular affairs, BLS International through BLS e-Service signed an agreement with Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, West Bengal and Karnataka state governments to provide citizen services. Recently, BLS has also came up with its portal and mobile app called
BLS eServices,
which is a dedicated B2B, B2C and G2C service portal. The recent acquisitions of Zeromass Private Limited, ZMPL and Staffin has enabled BLS to offer banking correspondent services, catering to the unserved remote population and expanding its reach and vision of digital empowerment. BLS International exceptional performance has been recognized through accolades such as being named Best Under Billion-Dollar Company by Forbes Asia, inclusion in Fortune India's Next 500 Companies and the Elite 100 by Dalal Street Investment Journal. In the realm of global visa services, where outsourced visas are projected to reach 60% by 2025, a significant increase from 31% in 2018, BLS International holds a commendable position. This impressive growth of BLS through years demonstrates its ability to meet the growing demands and requirements of visa processing worldwide. In order to fulfill the changing needs of our customers, we also offers premium lounge and mobile biometric services. BLS International is poised to increase its market cap in upcoming multi-billion-dollar projects. With recent global rollouts for the governments of Hungary, Poland, Germany and Italy, we are heading in the correct direction.